there, tech lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we pit the latest tech titans against each other to see who comes out on top. Today, we're diving into an epic showdown. The Samsung S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Xiaomi 14 Pro strap-in, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride through design, performance, battery life, and of course, those camera capabilities that we all love to debate about. Price tag! Starting with the price tag, the Samsung S24 Ultra kicks things off at a steep $1,299. Apple's contender, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, isn't shy either, starting at $1,099. Meanwhile, Xiaomi throws a curveball with the 14 Pro starting at roughly $700 and even throws in a special titanium variant for about $910. But hey, it's not just about the price, right? Design and display. When it comes to design, the Samsung S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max both flaunt a more minimalist, flat-edge design, while the Xiaomi 14 Pro goes for that sleek, curved-edge finish. But let's talk displays, because we all know that's where a lot of the magic happens. The S24 Ultra boasts a vibrant, anti-reflective display that's a treat for the eyes, especially in darker scenes or when you're just admiring it turned off. The iPhone, with its sharp and colorful edge-to-edge display, doesn't fall behind, offering crisp visuals. Xiaomi, while not to be underestimated, brings its A-game with a display that promises rich colors and deep contrasts. Unique features! Samsung's S24 Ultra comes with the beloved S Pen, making it not just a phone, but a creativity and productivity powerhouse. Whether you're underwater or snapping photos from a distance, the S Pen does it all. The iPhone 15 Pro Max brings its A-game with a customizable action button, a handy feature for quick access to the camera, flashlight, or any function you assign. Xiaomi, keeping things straightforward, focuses on delivering solid performance without the bells and whistles, but that titanium finish is nothing to scoff at. Performance and OS! Under the hood, we've got some serious horsepower. The S24 Ultra is powered by the cutting-edge a Gen 3 chip, promising top-tier performance and gaming capabilities. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max is no slouch either, with its A17 Pro chip that's ready to take on any task or game you throw at it. Xiaomi's 14 Pro, equipped with a robust chip and HyperOS, offers a smooth and responsive user experience. And when it comes to updates, Samsung and Apple are promising 7 years of OS and security updates, with Xiaomi not too far behind at 5 years. Battery and charging! Battery life is crucial, and here's where it gets interesting. Both Samsung and Apple deliver impressive battery longevity, but Xiaomi seems to lag slightly behind in this marathon. As for charging speeds, Xiaomi takes the lead with a blazing fast charge time, leaving Samsung and Apple in the dust. It's a mixed bag, but these differences could be a deciding factor for many. Camera showdown! Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the camera comparison. Day or night, all three devices capture stunning images with remarkable color accuracy, sharpness, and dynamic range. Whether you're Team Samsung, Team iPhone, or Team Xiaomi, you can't deny the prowess of these cameras. But when it comes to video, iPhone takes the crown with its unmatched 4K 60 FPS video quality. However, Samsung's insane zoom capabilities and Xiaomi's commendable performance should not be overlooked. Final thoughts. So who's the king of the tech hill? The Samsung S24 Ultra with its S Pen magic and stunning display? The iPhone 15 Pro Max with its unbeatable video quality and action button? Or the Xiaomi 14 Pro with its attractive price point and solid performance? The choice is yours, and we're excited to hear your thoughts. Before you jump into the comments, remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications to stay on top of our latest tech comparisons. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more tech insights and comparisons. Until next time, keep the tech love strong and stay savvy, friends. Peace out.